Hi, I'm Hannah Stiefel, author of Awe.
Hello, I'm Susan Gall, the illustrator.
When I was a kid, I grew up in Florida. My parents instilled in us this love of nature, whether it was like little small bugs and critters or it was like vast vistas like the Grand Canyon. One time recently, I was driving and I was listening to a podcast with a psychologist named Dacher Keltner, who's at Berkeley, and he was talking about his research on awe. And all of a sudden, the light bulb went off like, yes, that is the word that describes why I love these experiences of nature so much. And after learning about awe and how it can change the way we think and feel, I knew I had to write a book for kids about awe.
What I loved most about her story was the opportunity to illustrate not only the dynamic things that bring us awe, but finding awe in the smaller everyday things. Those little moments that you can find in your own backyard, those things that connect us to the world around us and to other people. So I really tapped into giving the reader the feeling instead of just the pictures of the awe, like what that moment feels like, the colors, the drama, the overwhelming your body kind of soul stirring, chills up and down your spine kind of feeling. And that's what I tried to do.
So we hope that kids and adults, people of all ages, search for awe every day.